Simplest way to talk about edge computing is that the analytics of data coming from factories is a lot of volume of data which you have to analyze. Typical factory talk about terabytes per hour, and for that reason it does not make sense to put all the data into the cloud and make the analytics there. So the better way is to put the edge device on the factory, on the line controller, and analyze the data coming from the line directly on the shop floor. Here we have one example where we use the edge controller and the analytics of production patterns to reduce the effort of the X-ray testing of our PCBs. So that means in 30% of the PCBs we know by the pattern of the production of these PCBs that they are good and that they do not have to be tested, can go and be shipped to the customer. We only reduce the testing once we are 100% sure that this pattern is a good pattern. The algorithm which we are using is trained on the cloud before, and is trained on the data we had from the production of our SIMATIC product over the last couple of years. This is a plan that the pattern will become more and more intelligent, so to speak, by producing more and more SIMATICs.